want to share with you the biggest mistake I've ever made in my business. Astronomical. You do not want to make this mistake. It cost me a lot of money. When I started my first business, I didn't understand how taxes really worked. All my friends were getting refunds and I thought Uncle Sam was going to send me some money. And these estimated quarterly taxes, everybody was telling me to send money in for or whatnot. I didn't really do that. By the end of the year, my accountant tells me I owe all of this money. I was like, what? I'm broke. I don't even have that much money. Then the IRS tacked on penalties, they tacked on interest, and they made me pay back every single penny that I owed them. And so it was a stressful time. All of the anxiety could have been avoided if I would have just saved money throughout the year, set it aside for my taxes and be sending those in on time. So I learned that lesson the hard way. And now I am very proactive and intentional when money comes into the business to make sure that I'm setting aside a portion that accounting professionals have suggested to me. So let's say $100 comes in, I take a portion of that and put it in a tax savings account. And then every April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, January 15th, I clear out that account and send the money to the IRS. That way there's no surprise tax bill and I'm current with them. So it might be different in your country or wherever you're from, but the principle is if you own a small business, you're gonna have tax payments. Make sure you're saving those throughout the year so you don't have some big gigantic bill. And then the other tip I learned the hard way is not to increase my lifestyle too much, but keep things frugal and simple so that I have the money to pay the taxes and run the business and all of that, and there's margin there. So my mistake was I wasn't saving for taxes and I was living high on the hog, you know? Dumb. Don't make the same mistake I did. If you want more business content, please follow for more.